Lava bursting through a 650-foot thick glacier and sending huge chunks of ice barreling down the mountain. And volcanologists say it's not over yet.
It can continue for a couple of days, a couple of weeks, a couple of months, years, we don't know.
The hot magma melted as much as a third of the ice covering the crater.
Just yesterday, this entire area was flooded. You can see the water has receded, but there's concern it could flood again. Now, the clouds have lifted too, so you can see the volcanic plume, but those dark gray areas, that's what holds the volcanic ash.
It's feeding that massive cloud of ash that's engulfing much of northern Europe.
The problem is we don't see an end to this weather pattern, so until we get a cutting off of the ash and the smoke, this problem is going to exist for a while.
The last 3 times Eyjafjallajökull erupted, it triggered a reaction 8 miles away, the enormous Katla volcano that sits on a vast ice cap that could cause floods the size of the Amazon.
What are the chances that Katla could be next?
The chances are good. Due to records, Katla often goes after this one.
And that would be huge.
That would be extremely huge.
Meteorologists recorded wind gusts of 40 miles per hour. And as the black cloud moved to block the daylight, it was like driving into hell.
As we were coming in here, it was actually sunny. It was like going from day to night. We can only see a few feet ahead of us.
Late this afternoon, rescue vehicles were moving in to do safety sweeps as more residents and their horses moved out. Most have lived in the shadow of this volcano for many years and respect its devastating potential.
We should never take them, for granted. We should never just think they're pretty things to look at.
Then today, after so much chaos, a surprising shift that's confounding volcanologists. At 8 a.m., clouds moved in. The explosions calmed, but seismic activity increased. The question is, what does it all mean? Armand Hoskoldsson and a team of volcanologists spent the day gathering hundreds of measurements on the volcanic debris.
Once we have done all the calculation, we can start to compare that with the geophysical data that we have already. And by that, we can start to get an educated guess.
As experts evaluate whether Eyjafjallajökull is likely to again show its massive power, the rumblings inside raise a bigger concern that they could trigger the much bigger nearby volcano, Katla.
The only thing that we know is that this one has gone off 3 times during historic time, okay? And in all cases, Katla has done so as well.
Every single volcanologist I've talked to over the last several days believes it's likely, in fact, that Katla will blow. And if it does, it has the potential to be 100 times more powerful than Eyjafjallajökull.